In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a monthly reset guide using Copilot in Microsoft Word. This is a great way to build a reusable document that helps you reflect, reset your priorities, and prepare for the month ahead without having to start from scratch every time. The best part is that Copilot can help you generate the structure and content quickly, while Word gives you the tools to make everything look polished and easy to use. To begin, open a blank document in Microsoft Word and make sure Copilot is enabled. If Copilot is available in your version of Word, you'll be able to use it directly inside the document. Starting with a blank page gives you full control over the layout and helps keep the guide focused and uncluttered. Next, click the Copilot icon in your document. This will open the chat pane on the right side of your screen. That side panel is where you'll interact with Copilot, give it instructions, and refine the content it creates. It's designed to feel conversational, so you can build your guide step by step. Now, type a prompt explaining what you want your monthly reset guide to include. For example, you can ask for sections focused on reflections, goal setting, and habit tracking, then press enter. The more clearly you describe the type of guide you want, the more useful the first draft will be. This gives Copilot a strong starting point and helps it generate content that matches your purpose. Once the text appears, take a moment to review it carefully. If it looks good, click. Keep to add it to your document. This step is important because it lets you decide what's worth keeping before anything is inserted into the page. Think of it as approving the draft before you begin customizing it. After that, ask Copilot to expand on specific sections. You might want to add a budget review, a self-care checklist, or other details that make the guide feel more useful and personal. This is where the document starts to become more than just a generic template and turns into something you'll actually want to use every month. When your content is in place, highlight the headings and use Word's formatting tools to organize everything into a clean, easy-to-read layout. Clear headings, consistent spacing, and a structured format will make the guide much easier to follow each time you use it. Finally, save your document as a template so you can reuse it at the start of every month. That way, your reset guide is always ready when you need it. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tips on how to use AI to organize your daily life.